Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm gonna show you how to sign up and log into SatoWallet, and then how to send and receive dollar online. Okay, first we're gonna have to visit SatoWallet website at satowallet.com here, and then there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is one for PC. But we're going to use the one for PC because they kind of have the same interface, and I've already installed that one on my PC. So here's the PC version. Okay, if you don't have an account, then you can just click the sign up here, or click on register to register in your account. Okay, here you write your full name, email address, set up a password, referral email if there is any, and then click on sign up to sign in. Or if you have an account, then you can just type in your account and log in. Login, it's gonna take some seconds to log in. Okay, good. Here are the list of coins available on the app. There are a lot of coins on the app, and I'm using USD as my fiat currency. So right now we're gonna use dollar online, and here is dollar online. Okay, you can either scroll down to look for a coin, or you can just use the search bar right here to look for the coin you want to look for. Okay, this balance right here is my dollar online balance, and the one in USD, is the equivalent balance of this dollar online in USD. So if you want to send a coin to a friend, then you just go to send, type in their address, the amount, and then if the amount is too much, you can just click here to reduce, and if you want to add, then you can just click here to add. And here is the fee deducted, and here is the fee deducted in dollar. And then you can add a transactions comment, and then click transfer, and then your transfer will begin. Okay, and if you are going to receive a coin, then the person you are receiving the coin will have to scan this barcode right here, or make use of this address to send you the coin. Okay, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So let's go to currency. Okay, right now I'm using USD, so we're gonna change to another currency. It's a long list, so we're gonna look for any other coin, any other currency to try. Okay, it's gonna take some seconds to change. Currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins. Alright, here before it was showing USD, and now it's showing this IMP currency because I changed my fiat currency from USD to IMP. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.